We're going to make a video now. So how to like get reserved tickets. So now it's in English, reserved tickets. From Echigo Yuzawa. Okay. Then to Omiya. Today. So
No, it's
1705 p.m.
No, it's what time?
Now it's
Because
like
we should
4:11. 4:11.
Okay, 5 is fine.
Okay. Ordinary car. Yeah, 1708. Okay. Okay. Select from seat map.
No, not available.
This one.
No, this is only...
Few seats left. 7-8. Car 7-8.
ない、これしかある。
Okay. Change car.
どちらまでですか？
Okay. Change car. Yeah.
上の
So there's no choice.
Non reserve why reserve
Return.
Return to previous screen.
reserve seat
Return to previous screen. Return to previous screen. Maybe let's say this one. Okay. Okay. Select from seat map. Okay.
Car number 7.
Least occupied. Okay. So we'll just take C and B or B and A. This one. B and A. Okay.
This is we will be together, right?
ordinary
Yeah. Okay.
ordinary seat
Confirm.
は green sheet
Please select a section for the
Okay.
basic fare ticket.
Select. Okay. Confirm. 12,500 yen.
Please don't forget your change and ticket. If you need a receipt, press the receipt button. Issuing tickets now. Please don't take your fill.
Okay, yeah, we got our tickets. Yeah, so yeah.
Actually, we were looking for Midori no Maroguchi.
Yeah.
What we usually do, but in this station there is no Midori no Maroguchi.
Yeah, there's
so you have to buy the ticket from the machine.
Yeah, apparently
Thank you
there's
for watching.
yeah, there's no Midori no Madoguchi at Echigo Yuzawa station. And yeah, thank you for watching.